Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your primary school. I hope you all are very fit and fine. This is your class 4th NCERT EVS book Looking Around, and we are reading chapter number 18, Too Much Water, Too Little Water. So this is the first part of the chapter. I have sent you on your Iqra app, and the half of the chapter we have finished on our online class. So the remaining chapter we will start, but I want to tell you that in this chapter we were reading that some areas of Andhra Pradesh are there is not proper water. The people are not getting the neat and clean water for drinking, and that is why the people are to drink the cold drink. And in Bazargaon, Maharashtra, there is a very big water park. The people come here to play and enjoy with water. There are so many rides in the water, and there are a long thick water hose in water park. And I showed you the a picture of water park. You are watching. There are so many people here, and the people come here to enjoy, just for to enjoy. The people come here, and the water of the water park is very neat and clean. And this water is not fit for drinking. This why? Because the people come here, the people take bath and play here. So this water is not fit for drinking. But here the water is filled just for playing, just for entertaining. Some questions are there. Have you ever faced a shortage of water in your house? When? So you can answer yes. Sometimes during summer season, when there is no electricity, then we face the problem of water. And what did you do then? So the answer is we had to collect water from the water tanker if there is so much problem of water. Next, have you ever played in water? Where and when? So the answer is yes. In last vacation in the water park. Are are there times when you are not allowed to play in water? What are the reasons for this? So the reasons may be there is a shortage of water, the water is very deep, that is why, and the water is dirty, that's why. Have you seen wastage of water in your area? Discuss. So have you seen wastage of water in your area? Discuss. Yes, sometimes I have seen. And this is the next uh, uh, can we drink this? This is an incident of Kufe Parade, Mumbai. The lift stopped at 26th floor. Deepak loves going in the lift. Today was a holiday in school. Deepak had gone with his mother to Razia Madam's house. His mother worked there. The house was quiet and cool and shining clean. Razia was reading a newspaper. She smiled when she saw Deepak. Is it a holiday today? She asked. She switched on the TV, and Deepak was soon lost in the world of cartoon. Now this is an incident of Kufe Parade, Mumbai. A lady whose name is Pushpa, she has come with her son Deepak to the house of Razia Madam. And Razia Madam lives on 26th floor, and Deepak loves going in the lift. Today there is a holiday in the school of Deepak. That is why Deepak is also has come with his mother to Razia Madam's house. His mother does the household work in Razia Madam's home, and when Razia Madam saw Deepak, she was reading a newspaper. When she saw Deepak, she smiled and she asked to him. "Is it a holiday today?" And after that, she switched on the TV, and Deepak was soon lost in the world of cartoon. Means whenever Deepak comes to Razia Madam's home, Razia madam mostly switch on the TV for Deepak because Deepak loves to see the cartoon. Razia called out, Pushpa, it says in the newspaper that the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes in this area. Razia madam called Pushpa. Razia madam called the mother of Deepak, and she says that there is a news in newspaper, and it is said that the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes in this area. That is why the drinking water has been dirty. It says that many people are sick and with diarrhea and vomiting because of this. In newspaper there is a news that the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipe, and that is why there are so many people are sick with the diarrhea and vomiting because of drinking dirty water. Why don't you throw away the water that was filled yesterday? Put some fresh water to boil for drinking. Also take home some boiled water for your family. Deepak was happy to hear this. He thought, at least today I will not have to stand in a queue for hours to get water for our house. It is a real holiday for me. Then when Razia madam read the news in the newspaper that the water that the in that area, in some area, the drinking water are dirty, and that is why the people are being sick. So she um, she told Pushpa to take some boiled water from our house and take some and boil some water to drink at your home. Deepak was happy to hear this when Deepak heard that Razia madam is telling to take some water to your home from my home. So Deepak was very happy. He thought that now just for today we would not have to stand in a queue for hours to get water for our house. And now Deepak is very happy. Now he is thinking that it is a real holiday for me. Listen, there are these 5 questions. Okay, and now I am going to give you all the answers of these questions. Why was Razia worried when she read the news in the paper? She read that gutter water had mixed in the water pipe. This makes the water dirty. That is why Razia madam was very worried. Razia asked that all the water that was filled before should in the day before should be thrown. Could this water have been used for something else? What kind of thing? So the answer is this water could be used for washing, watering plant in the garden, etc. Then, in what way did she plan to make the water clean? So the answer is by boiling. She planned to boil the water and and keep the water clean. Make our water clean by boiling. Do you know of any ways to make water clean? Describe them. So yes, uh, some ways are there, like by adding alum, by filtering, by adding chlorine tablet, etc. Suppose Razia had not read the newspaper and everyone had drunk the water without boiling it, what would happen? Then the answer is, if Razia madam had not read the newspaper and everyone had drunk the water without boiling it, then everyone would fall sick.